Alright. That's nice.
Yay! So you guys like the movie? Yeah.
I'm probably
I love the movie.
top favorite movie
Yeah?
right now.
Oh, good. Good. I'm glad you guys got to see it. Thank you for saying that.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Say bye.
Bye. It was nice meeting you. Jessica? Is that you?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Jasmine. Cool. Nice to meet you.
Another one of your dragon skis.
Yeah? Over there, yeah. Jasmine, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
See you later.
So glad I got to meet you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chloe.